How to turn off desktop notifications for Discord. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can just simply turn off the desktop notifications for Discord in 2022. So without wasting any more moment, let's dive into this. First of all, you just have to open up the Discord application or the app or the website on which you are accessing the Discord through any medium possible. That means either you're going to do it through your phone or your laptop or your mobile phone or screen tablet or your computer. It is perfectly fine. Once you're there, you just have to go into the user settings. To go into the user settings on your mobile phone, you just have to tap at the right bottom corner of the screen where this profile picture is being shown. Once this user settings app is open or page is open, just have to go into the app settings by scrolling down, and once you reach there, you have to find the notifications. That would be the second option. Once you do that, a dialog box would appear up in any of the services you are using for Discord, whether it is on your mobile phone or your PC or your tablet. So, in which you're going to get the options for the desktop notifications. So, on mobile phones and tablets, you'll most probably get these system notifications, whereas on the screen or on your computer, you're going to receive it about the desktop notifications. Hence, when you uncheck that, this means you've just turned off the desktop notifications for Discord. So, I hope you guys liked the video and it was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. And if you guys have any query, just comment below. I'll love to answer that. Till next time, peace.